How to replace the bearings on your Panasonic washing machine. Okay, to remove the rear cover, you've got the screws all the way around, and all you do then once some screws have been removed is lift off the rear cover, slip this belt off quite simply. To take the top cover off, you've got two screws, one's going to be here and one here, and all you do then is pull, and there is the cover off. To take this door off, pull that down, clip that door out, and then you've got two screws, one screw here and another screw just underneath. Remove them screws, clip your pipe out, and now just push it over to the left, and then it will clip out, and you can see these are the locking plastics that lock into there. To remove the display, take out the dispenser, and remove one screw and this top screw here, and then you can see these clips. Just press the clips down a little bit and then the display will come off. So with them screws out, it should just clip out. Yes, that's it. And that's your display off. Once you've got the display off, there's one screw here that I've already taken out, another screw here, take that out. There's earth, take that one off, and this control unit box should just then be flexible and lift out. This will help you then to get to the weights, and also it'll give you space, and you can get to the harness if you need to slacken anything off. Once you've taken your base plate off from there, then take this front cover off with 4 screws here, screw there, and 2 screws just underneath, one there and one hopefully there. That will take the cover off. Before doing that, maybe take the screws out from around this silver trim, and then you can prise out this trim to get to this belt. I've already taken, this is the spring nut where it fits, coils round all the way round, and then springs locks back into there, so that's the seal. So you must take this off before you remove the whole cover. You prise this cover off just like that, just prise it off, and there is the interlock. So there's 2 screws, 1, 2, and when these screws comes off, there's actually a spring that links to the door. Just take that off with a hook or some long nose pliers. Then took this wheel off, so there's the nut which was like that, then a washer, and then there's another washer that goes onto it, and also took the weights off from here, here and here. These are the screws, there's 19 of them all the way around, holding the front drum 19. Then remove all the bolts that are around the outer cylinder, and then there's a clip cable that was clipped in here. Just release that and remove this tube. That one was already removed from the other side, and now we should be able to just pull it out. This will be stuck, the shaft will be stuck probably, so you would have to bang it out, use a block to bang it out so you don't damage the thread. The bearing will push out from the inside once that shaft is out. This is the other side of the shaft, which then sits into the drum. Chances are that the shaft will be already stuck in there, so you'll have to pull it all out, meaning the drum will come out with that shaft, and then you have to dismantle the shaft later. You can see the bearing types 6207Z and 6305Z. You can pick them up locally or on the internet. I paid about £25 for these. This bearing on the shaft will be seized and will need to be cut off. Look on YouTube. You can YouTube how to remove it, but what I actually did was I took the shaft round to my local garage, and they used an angle grinder to grind and cut the bearing, and then just slipped it off. Before fitting the new bearing, just clean the shaft down with emery paper, and you'll probably have to knock that shaft on. Be careful how you do that, and then refit everything in reverse order, and you should then have a fully functioning machine. Good luck.